a blistering statement, former Member of Parliament Themba Mliswa has accused Constantino Chiwenga, the sitting Vice President, of using political theatre and betrayal to advance his ambitions while shielding foreign-backed investors and undermining Zimbabwean interest. Mliswa argues that Chiwenga projects himself as a betrayed holy victim, painting his critics as Judas figures, yet in reality belongs to an uncomely clan of Iscariots, rife with hypocrisy and double standards. He pointed to what he describes as Chiwenga's entanglements, the funding of his wedding allegedly by businessman Wikno Chivayo, financial support for overseas medical treatment allegedly via businessman Kuda Kwashe Tagwirei, and large but unaccounted for funds from the Democratic Republic of Congo meant for soldiers. According to Mliswa, none of these associations squares with Chiwenga's pious public image. Moreover, Mliswa condemned what he described as Chiwenga's protection of Chinese business interests at the expense of locals. He criticized the proliferation of Chinese-owned industries and infrastructure projects, including at a steel plant, facing accusations of importing labor rather than using local workforce, describing them as a corrosive acid ravaging Zimbabwe's hills, rivers and communities. He questioned why Chiwenga, supposedly a corruption fighter, remains silent on alleged environmental degradation and economic displacement by foreign investors. Mliswa further dismissed attacks on himself as politically motivated, insisting that accusations he is paid to criticize Chiwenga reveal only the fear within the vice president's camp of truth revealing who he really is. He said that terms like a slowly moving curtain will expose the dark side of Chiwenga's record, shady property portfolios, intimidation of the judiciary, and alleged justice against his former wife and children. He concluded with a call to Chiwenga, whom he addressed as Sekuru, to abandon misguided advice, drop the pretense of victimhood, and stop using his military past as license to intimidate and dominate. If nothing else, Mliswa warned the growing alignment of state power and foreign interests under Chiwenga could lead the country into deeper economic and social peril, all while the true architects of the damage remain hidden behind carefully crafted political means. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.